Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the construction of the Pinnacle. We are in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now the Pinnacle consists of 4 towers and each tower is going to be 28 floors, and at 28 floors each one will be the tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest building in the Caribbean. Now straight ahead where you see that green mesh around the building, that's the construction of the first tower. Now to the left of it where you see those steel beams coming out of the ground, that's going to be the recreation area where they have the pool, etc. And the building to the right is a commercial center that they're building where they'll have stores for rent. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Now in the first phase, they're going to build 2 towers. The Swallowtail and I don't remember. The 2 towers, the Canary and the Swallowtail. And they're going to be residential towers. In this phase 2, they're going to be building 2 more towers. One will be used as a hotel and the other one will be residential. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.